Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Khaina Rene, for those of you who do not know. And before we get started, make sure you guys subscribe. Hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notifications so that way you know when I upload next, because that's important. Yeah. And before we get to talking about breakage, growth, and protective styles and whatever else there is about locks, yeah. I don't even remember what I was going to say, but let's just jump right into it. Okay. Oh, look, we're twinning. Stop. We're going to stop. Yes. Can I have both of them, please?
No.
Okay, you hold up one, I'll hold up one. See, hold yours up.
You gotta tell them what we're here for.
We're talking about breakage and how you can stop this from happening. See this? This is a whole, these are two whole ones that came out of his head. How can you stop this from happening, guys? How?
Protect your roots.
Whoa, you heard that?
Protect your roots. Mine broke off at the root. And just for you guys who's wondering how did mine break off at the root like this and I lose an entire dread? When I started with comb calls. Just, you take a rat tail comb and you twist it and there you go. So I had so many. I started off with like, I think 230 dreads, 235 dreads. On average, most people have like 180 is a lot of dreads, but I had like almost 240. And I had that many because I started off with just, the little twist. And then she washed it and it took my ass along the lock that she would wash my twists apart. And instead of putting it back together, she would form new twists. And it causes this because now you don't have enough hair at the root to sustain a full dread. So it doesn't break until your hair gets like this long and then it's like, oh, fuck, not enough, no stability, bye-bye. And that's what happens. But to keep this from happening, protect your roots. This is why it's so important to protect your roots. Because if your roots stand, everything is just gone. Your roots is your foundation. It is, that ace in the hole, whatever you want to call it. Your roots is everything. No roots, no dreads.
Okay, so what about, so say if I'm going to get a retwist, should I go like on a sketch, like if I'm going every 3 months?
Consistency. So if you go, for you guys who go every month, make sure you continue to go every month. If you go like how I go like every 3 to 4 months. Just stay consistent. Because if you go every 3 to 4 months, you don't want to start going every month now. You see what I'm saying? Because now you're allowing less hair to grow in and then get it twisted, and that can cause that also. So you want to be consistent. Now, if you're going every month, you can, start going further apart, but you never want to be going from further apart to closer together because that can cause thinning. This is a prime example. You do not want this. You know how upset I was? Like this is
You know how easy he ripped these out? He was like, oh babe, it's gonna break off. I was like, well just leave it alone. And then he just ripped it out of his head. And I was like, no. And like all you hear are these and then it's out of his head. And I'm like, why would you do that? Give it to me, shit, I'll put it in my head. Put it around my ear first, see how it looks right here.
Yeah, there's a lot of years worth of growth that I lost, but
look how much longer it is in my ear.
Okay.
Oh my god, I'm bald-headed. Oh. Let's talk about growth. Since we have the king of growth over here, because 8 years is a long time and a lot of patience. Woo! I'm only a year in, but let's talk about growth. So besides patience, what did it take, bae? Look how cute.
Patience and then like, I guess somewhat discipline of not wanting to play in your shit. Like some people be so anxious when they have get children, they want to do all these crazy styles. No, that'll cause, there's also a lot of tension and pulling. That also causes a lot of breakage. So when you get styles, make sure you get styles that are adequate to your hair length. Meaning, you don't want to try to get like a fucking basket braid bun, shit, and you only been growing your hair a couple of months. You don't want to do that because when you get your hair retwisted, that's enough on your roots already. So make sure you just get styles that, you know, appropriate for your hair length. Like with me, I mostly just get, you know, the plaits, a nice protective style. You know, it kind of takes a little weight from the roots because the hair is braided together and kind of, you know, stable. But yeah, you don't wanna overdo it. And also with the edges, like I pointed out in the previous video, you don't want to have your hair pulled back a lot. When you're at home just chilling, just weigh your shit down. Because pulling it back a lot, that can also cause, you know, breakage around your edges, and you don't want that.
Yeah, just wear it down.
Babe.
That's what I'm doing, see?
Mm-hmm.
What else can we talk about? I mean, we already hit the pinpoint of protective styles and certain things you can do, like when you're at home chilling.
And that's also if you don't even have locks, if you have straight hair or, you know, just free, loose hair, you don't want to have your hair pulled back too much because, you know, you want to protect those edges. Because that'll be the first to go on your edges.
I'm telling you, and a lot of you females know it. First thing to go.
You just want to take care of, you know, your hair.
Mm-hmm.
This is not my video. She's forced me to do this. I didn't say that.
What? Lies. Well, I guess that's pretty much it for this video. I mean, we just wanted to say hi to you guys.
Short and sweet, something short and sweet.
Yeah, and give you guys some pointers and show you guys this is the stuff that happens.
But this isn't it for the video. She just inexperienced, so let the vet take over. Okay.
Since I'm so inexperienced, we're gonna talk about growth some more. So
keys to growth. One, the locks, you don't really need much. You know, just let them do their thing, whatever. And all you really need in your hair is water, honestly. But for those who, you know, kind of heavy on the product like I was when I first started, stick, you know, like natural products, as natural as possible. Like for me, I used to use a lot of olive oil products in my hair. And it actually helped a lot when my hair was shorter because I did have problems around my edges at first. And I used to use a lot of olive oil, like the olive oil hair lotion, you know, just olive oil shampoo and conditioner, all of that good shit. And I like the outcome. I like the outcome. So if you know, you kind of, oh, what do I need for my hair? What should I do? You know, just kind of stay natural as possible. But all in all you need is water for your locks, and they'll flourish into whatever you want for the most part. So make sure you keep them clean. Keep your locks clean.
yeah, I have like so many missing over here. It's insane. Donation? Like, look how skimpy.
You could probably get 3-4 dreads out of this.
I'm gonna like pull some from on top of
Don't
it.
pull your hair out.
Like, you see the skimpiness? There's like so many gaps.
No, it's not.
It bugs me.
That's because you just gotta retwist.
But I gotta keep it covered up because it just bugs me.
You just gotta retwist. It's gonna look like that until it
Those children are crazy.
fluffing out.
Listen at him. Woo! Crazy. Okay. I can't wait for you guys to go on, you know, a tattoo shop experience with us. When we get something new.
I don't get tattoos, so she'll be going there on her own.
Oh my, okay.
Birthmark. And woke up like that. Yep.
Okay, well that is gonna be it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to leave a comment. Let us know what you want to see next.
Press
Don't
that
forget...
fucking subscribe button.
Yes, and give
or
the
else
video.
I'm not gonna be in any more videos. If you don't subscribe, I promise. Fuck y'all, man.
Whoa! Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and we will see you guys in the next video. Bye.